was just listing some of the most evil people throughout history. Genghis Khan, Joseph Stalin, my mother. Some of the most evil minds throughout history. Now these people, they've influenced me deeply. You know, you can learn a thing or two from them, Larry.
What? Oh, yeah, of course, sir.
Another one is Bozo the Clown. Bozo the Clown. He was revolutionary. The way he terrorized children, truly amazing. These people, they've changed me inside and out. I wasn't always like this. I had a pretty normal childhood, family that loved me, good friends, and of course my physical prowess surpassed all others. I was the captain of the lacrosse team, the basketball team, and the competitive eating team. I was the greatest football captain the school had ever seen. While my brawn was unmatched, my brain was equally as extravagant. I studied at the greatest colleges with the most smart professors. I amassed the knowledge to even rival Einstein himself. Yes, my life truly is one of excitement and success. I must say I'm very proud of myself.
You're the man, sir.
You know it.
All right, here's your schedule, sir.
Thank you. Is my 6 o'clock balloon popping still on?
Yes. Yeah, it looks like it is.
Hey, thanks again, Jerry.
It's Mary, sir.
Pretty sure it's Jerry.
No, it's Mary.
Strawberry.
Mary.
Yeah, whatever. I don't got time for this. I got business to attend to.
You do that.
I will.
Actually, sir, I've been meaning to talk to you about this for a while, but there's this issue with my paycheck.
Radcliffe. That fiend, that monster. The crink in my neck, the thorn in my foot. The little bit of popcorn in the back of your teeth, you know, and it's kind of stuck back there, and it's really annoying, and you can't get it out because...
Sir.
Here's what I need. I need a team. There's always 2 of the Radcliffes. They have each other. They're a team. I need a team. I need a super duper evil group. They'll be strong, they'll be smart, and they'll be evil. Very evil.
I'm evil. I'm smart.
What, you ever told not to mumble? We're evil here, not rude. We have decency. Now go, find my minions.
Yeah, I guess I have a lot of unique friends, so I guess I don't feel too alone. What about you?
Well, I don't get out too much, but I meet a lot of people here.
It's a shame people only use you. You're a pretty good conversationalist.
Yeah, real pity.
Did any of you guys find a job for us?
I don't foresee our employment.
You can't foresee the front of your own nose.
No one can, idiots.
Guys, shut up. There's someone getting mugged.
What? I'll go stop him. You guys are useless. Come on, Baton. You're better than this. Jump out of his hand or something.
You know, that sounds like a good idea.
Smart, strong, powerful, charismatic, talented. Yeah, they've got none of these. Hey, guys! Come here! I got a proposition for you.
Hey, is that someone calling us?
I don't know. You guys want to go check it out?
Okay.
Okay.
You millennials look like you need a job. Want to come join our team?
What kind of team is this?
It's called Every Victim is Loved. Every Victim is Loved. It's non-profit.
Who's the boss of this?
A guy named Mr. Nurse. He's really nice. Got a deviled egg for an eye. It's really weird. I do too.
Well, what do you guys do?
We help victims of unemployment like you guys. More specifically, people with superpowers like you guys.
Miss Fortune Teller, what do you think?
I don't see any danger within the next 5 seconds. Seems legit.
So, you guys in?
I think we found our gig.
So, tell us your name and what it is exactly you'll be doing for us.
I am the misfortune teller. I can see 5 seconds into the future.
It's gonna be good.
Well, let's see what you got. Are you going
You want to do it?
Just
repeat what I said after I said it.
Stop
it.
That's
It's
incredibly annoying. Next.
I'm an Animan. I can communicate with inanimate objects. Like that fan.
Well, with that power, I suppose you can fix my TV for once.
I am Ah.
Ah? What's an ah?
AAA, like the battery.
I am teleporter. I can't control it. It just.
Yeah!
I am Nightmare. Okay, do you guys mind waiting around until midnight?
Now I like that.
Is this the right place to audition?
For the sidekick job.
I think that's the Radcliffes.
Oh, don't be silly. Why would the Radcliffes come here? They're probably at home, sleep in their beds. Now tell me, what exactly do you guys do? Why should I hire you?
Well, we don't have a job at the moment.
And we thought you might need someone with our skill set.
Skills, you say? What are these skills?
Well, we've trained for 15 years in the military since we were 14.
And we've trained in the fitting style of punch and kick.
So you're telling me you don't have any superpowers?
Huh?
It specifically said in brochure we need superpowers.
Well, we don't really have any superpowers, but we can, juggle. Yes.
Yes, we can juggle. Yes, flaming knives. Yes, very special.
Sir, it's the Radcliffes.
Oh, you're just jealous. You're not as cool as those guys over there. You can't juggle watermelons or knives or whatever the heck they do.
Knives.
Not watermelons.
Sir, that's the Radcliffes.
So
We're in.
Are you in? Yeah, why not? Go over there in the corner and go play some games. They're playing Duck Duck Goose or whatever. Go have fun.
we're sure it'll be fun.
I've taken deep consideration and I've decided, for lack of a better option, you're all in. Now I finally have something to smile about. Those pesky Radcliffes will stand no match against my team of supers.
Okay, do you honestly think that they're the right ones? Be honest here. Do you wholeheartedly believe that they're the ones?
Look, this is the best we're gonna get, okay? It's not like we can afford the Avengers. I mean, they're busy right now. Well, I guess there is the Justice League, but between you and me, I don't exactly want that. Okay?
You're the boss. Nothing you say ever goes wrong. You're always right. Always. It's gonna go great.
Let me tell you all, this guy, Dr. Nurse.
In a carton of eggs, he's the bad egg.
That means our boss is actually evil?
Oh no. I'm allergic to evil. And eggs.
His brain is completely scrambled.
I think he's going to crack. What's with the egg jokes?
We miss breakfast.
And we're hungry for justice.
Radcliffes?
Oh my god, can you sign my comic book, please?
Well, I'm out. I gotta feed my cats.
Yeah, I know.
Let's go.
No. What kind of heroes?
Run away from danger.
The smart ones?
No, we have to stop Dr. Nurse.
Once and for all. Who's with us?
Don't worry, I fed the goldfish. Everything's fine there. Yes, I brushed my teeth. Of course I brushed my teeth. And yes, I cleaned behind the ears. I'm fine, thank you. What's this? Grandchildren? Heck no.
Look, I hate to interrupt mommy time, but we should probably put this plan into action before the Radcliffes find out. Okay? Because I have a bad feeling about this.
Oh, you and your feelings. Who cares about your feelings? I'm sure the Radcliffes are at home relaxing, watching TV.
All right, I'm sorry. I'll try not to feel again. You know, it's kind of hurtful when you say that.
It's a full door, you walnut. I think that's my pizza.
I don't think that's your pizza.
It's my pizza. That's not my pizza.
You don't say.
We're arresting you for being a total failure. You couldn't even succeed at being evil.
Jaywalking, attempting to steal babies' candy? The only thing you could steal was bad fashion ideas.
Hey, you watch it. It's a custom piece.
You lied to us. Even I couldn't see that coming.
It was blatantly obvious.
Wait, so EVIL? Oh, I get it now.
It's time you get what you deserve.
You failed.
No, he didn't. Because he's got me.
Should we go after them?
Nah.
I'm gonna let them go.
Well, I'll say, that was a bit of a train wreck back there.
Yeah, you think?
But, thanks my superior intellect and genius, I got us out of there just fine.
Doctor, I think you might want to rephrase that. You know, just think about what you said for a second, because I built that escape pod on my spare time.
Oh, you built that?
Yeah.
That was all you?
Yeah, I mean, I figured we need like a backup plan in case your plan fell through. But, you know, not that your plans ever fall through. I'm just hypothetically.
We all know, my plans are foolproof. I'm the greatest evil mind this world has ever seen. Well, except for today.
Yeah.
I suppose maybe I'm not perfect. Maybe I need a sidekick.
Really? Yeah, absolutely.
Got it, Terry. I have more important things to worry about. That's clever. That's just what I was thinking, actually. There's this issue with my paycheck. Agent Radcliffe, that fiend, that crank in my neck, the thorn in my foot, that little bit of popcorn that's stuck in your teeth, and you try to get it out with your tongue, but you can't because the angle is all weird, and you forget about it, but then it's 3 a.m. and it wakes you up, so you walk down the stairs and get some more. Then you fall out on your bus, sending me to the hospital, sending you back $20,000 in medical bills, not allowing you to pay for your car, dreams of Antilcas in Iowa, sending your life down into invincible spiral, failure, and depression.
Amazing.
Hold on that long. Yeah, the audience will be seeing that for the first time, so they'll need some time to process that.
I gotta tell you all, this guy, Dr. Nurse, in a carton of eggs, he's the baddest. His brain is scrambled. I think he's going to crack. What's with the egg jokes? We miss breakfast. And we're hungry for justice. Ow. The Radcliffes! Can you sign my comic book, please?
Rolling.
Roll sound.
Sound rolling.
Slater.
Scene 4A, take 1.
And action.
So, tell us your name and what exactly you'll be doing for us today.
Good. How about curious, anticipation? Maybe somebody, let's see what you got.
Let's see what you got. Oh, I like that. Interesting.
And action.
Okay, what's this?
Cut. I am the misfortune teller. I can see 5 seconds into the future.
This is gonna be good.
You what it takes to be on a team of elite super people.
Oh, yes, I do.
So we're in here about to do some green screen work.
Yes, we are. Green,
Yeah.
green
Wow.
is
Look at this. Oh my God, the light. Why? What app were they using for this? Did we use just the regular camera, or did we have to use that app?
Pretty sure it's regular phone.
This says somebody using the app, but I don't know. So we're getting a tripod set up right now. Pretty cool. There's Kyle and Alex and Tyler.
Oh my.
It's Tyler on the table.
Kyle and Alex and Tyler, oh my.
Hey, let's get that 8-ball going here.
What do we got?
Is our film gonna turn out pretty well?
Can't say no.
Hey, that's good. Alright, we're back again. Going to shoot on location for establishing shots. It's very hot out here. And now we're still going outside. This is much better. They're setting up the camera. Just fixing the light. That's Megan.
I'm about to fall asleep.
Yeah, man. I was gonna go lay down on the floor and take a nap, but probably not a good idea.
You should.
Alex is in my spot.
You're making a documentary of ours behind the scenes.
Yeah.
And Megan, you were going to be the.
There's Kyle, future English teacher. Don't mess up. There's Lucas. And Michaela and Josh.
Why is 9 freaking out? Why is 9 freaking out? No, I don't. Like, actually, why is 9 freaking out? That's what the caution.
Hold on that long. Yeah, the audience will be seeing that for the first time, so they'll need some time to process that.